Good morning, student. After discussing after discussing with page style, paragraph style, today we discuss about the page formatting. Page formatting means how we can format our pages. Now, say, first thing is setting a basic page layout using style. How we can set the basic layout of the page using style. So let's discuss. Page style defines the basic layout of all pages in the document. It includes page size, margin, header and footers, borders, backgrounds, and number of columns. Means what? Page styles includes many things like page size. We can set our page size, which page you want to print. Margin, we can set our margin, how much margin you can set, or you can leave the space around the edges of the pages. Margins means leaving the space around the edges of the pages. हम लोग पूरे पेज के कॉर्नर में जो भी स्पेस को छोड़ते हैं, that is called the margin. Now header and footer, whatever the things we are write at the top of the page, that is called the header, and whatever the things we are writing at the bottom of the page, that is called the footer. Border and background, number of columns. So let's start how we can set the basic page layout using style. So first open any Word document. Now you can see it here. We are type some content at here. Now first thing is to set the page size and margin. Now see, click on page layout type, top, and now you can see it here. Here is a page size. After clicking a page size, you get an option, several options later. Legal. Generally we are using A4 size. So just we click the A4 size and my page will be set to the A4 size. When we print our document, the text will be printed in A4 size paper. Now next is margin. How we can set the margin? So click on page layout tab and we can see it here, margin. Normal margin. In normal margin, the size of the margin is top one, left one, bottom one, and right one. Means what? In normal margin we can leave the space around the edges of the pages, that is the 1. We can also define the margin with ourselves. Top, how much you want to leave the space at the top of the pages. Bottom, how much space you want. If you want to leave the 1.5 space, then see here is a diagram, how much space you are see how much space you are leaving. You can see it here, preview. In the same way, how much space you can leave from the left side. So just click over there and you can see this much space you are leaving from the left side. See, in the same way we can do it. Now click on OK button. Your page will be set to this. Now header and footer. How we can set the header and footer? We know that the text which is written at the top of the page, that is the header, and the text which is written at the bottom of the page, that is the footer. For writing the header, click on insert tab, then here is the header options. So click the header options and you get header. Now type the content which you want to keep in a header option. Now you see that in the page there will be header. header. Now if you want to add footer, then click on insert tab and then click on footer option. In footer option you can just write the page number. By clicking you can watch the page number will be written at here in each and every pages. For removing the header, just click on the header, double click and press the delete button. The header will be removed. If you want to remove the footer, just double click over there and then click on delete button. The footer will also deleted. Now next is inserting page break. How we can insert page break? So just let's see. Here is a page setup group where we can break the pages. If you want to break the pages from here, then just click on the page break. You can see here the page will be break, means the content of the content in the first page move to the second page. That is the page break. Define border and background. Assigning borders and backgrounds to important paragraph frames page give it attractive look to the document. For example, assigning border or background able to different points, adding borders. We can add border either to individual character or to selected text. We can add the borders also. So how we can add the borders? Here we find that page border. So just select which border you want and click on OK button. The page border will be applied. Now next is inserting images, shapes, special characters in a document. Inserting images. If you wish to include any picture or images in your document, the image file should be stored in your hard disk or external storage such as pen drive to insert an image. We can insert images in our document also. For inserting the images, place the mouse cursor where you want to insert. Now click on insert tab. Here is the picture options. So just click on the picture options and you can insert the pictures by clicking on insert button. Your picture will be inserted. Now inserting special characters. Some may be required to enter the special characters such as which cannot be typed by using the keyboard. We can also insert the special characters also. For inserting the special character, click on insert tab. Here is shape options where we can insert the special characters, symbols, each and everything. You can insert like this. Now dividing the document page into column. You may have seen some documents where is a page is divided into 2 or 3 columns. So we can also divide the pages into 2 or 3 columns. Just select the content. Now just select the content which you want to divide. Then click on page layout tab. Here is a column options. So just we select the 2. You can see it here. The column is divided into 2 sections. So this is the basic thing